the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache. From the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain. Seeing Hi, my beautiful people. Hi, my fellow traders. What's up? What's up? How are we doing today? Today is today is yet an amazing day for trading, for learning, for basically adding something new onto ourselves. So come through, join your girl Lena. Let us get started. Right, Brent oil OTC, that is what I'm trading, and that is the chart that we are having. Pocket Option Broker, that is a platform that I'm trading on, and I'm definitely trading binary options. So come through, join in. Come, let's chat. For the past 2 days that I've not been around, what have you been up to? What have you managed to achieve? Come through, fill me in, and definitely let me know where you are watching in from. Let me know what you have been up to in your trading journey. All right, definitely over here we have gotten started. Okay, so today, guys, we are all in for trading, serious trading. All right, let's be serious about it. Catch some very interesting tips, share experiences, share with me how is your journey so far, how is it going, how is it taking you, what are the challenges that you are facing. I would love to know, such that we see how to go about each and every single thing. Emmanuel, good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? How is it going? How is it going over there? Your girl Lena is doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. I've missed you guys so much. And here I am. Here I am. Okay, Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going over that side? Fill me in. Fill me in. I would definitely love to know how everything is going. Okay, so please fill me in. Let's roll together. Habib is in the building. Hi, Habib. How are you doing? How is it going over that side? Fill me in, guys. Let me know. Okay, a beautiful lady. I am doing okay. I'm doing amazing. How is it going? So, guys, we are in early enough. Let us try to share, right? Let me know what is happening over that side. Fill me in. How has it been going over the past 2 days? I've not been around. I've been refreshing. I've been refreshing. Once in a while, it's good. It's good to work on your emotions, on yourself, basically. All right. So let me hope as I was away, you guys were definitely executing and you guys were definitely making some money. All right. Let's go. Okay, so over now on our chat, as you can see, we are in an uptrend and we have just closed a pullback over there, having a continuation to the upside. Slowly. Hey Joshua, what's up? Good to have you. Okay, Godwin is doing okay. Godwin is doing amazing. I'm also doing amazing over here. Okay, so we are in for a price action as my strategy. When the things that I have always been talking about, guys, we should not put them on the side, okay? When I talk about that as a trader, we need to have a strategy. Risk management, very, very important. And how do we deal with, excuse me, how do we deal with risk management, or how do we consider risk management? That depends on you, because you are the trader, all right? And you are the one who knows how big or how small your account is. So when we say that we are going to look at a 1 to 2% or 1 to 5%, all right, in that range, please, you as a trader, you know how much you have on your account. And remember, guys, you're trading, but you are trading for you, not for anyone else. So no one should tell you anything about your trading. Just make sure that you are proud of yourself, you believe in yourself. There, you will definitely achieve a lot more, right? Do not trade to hit certain targets because certain people are hitting certain targets. You know how you learned how to trade, the troubles you went through. So you're taking it one step at a time. For as long as you are doing this for you, you're not trading for anyone else, you're trading for you. So risk management, definitely let it be according to what your account suggests or how your account looks like. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, guys, come through. Let us chat trading. Okay, let us chat trading. Fill me in. How is it going on your side? How has it been going? Adele, good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? How is it going over that side? Guys, today I would love to see very many of you participate in the comment section, because I mean, we've not seen each other for 2 full days. So that simply means that we have a lot of things to talk about, okay? So please, 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 please come through. Let us. Okay. Let us so very much participate together. All right. Let me run through every season. There is no reason you can't stay. Beautiful. Guys, you remember the last day we were here? The market was so bad. The market was so bad that day, and it was crazy. But at the same time, what is in the past is already in the past. Today, come through, analyze the market with me. Let us try to cut some amazing moves over here. So let's see how it's going to be. On my end, I would say the market is comme ci, comme ça. 50-50, right? So I do not know. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Okay. Okay. We keep it going. We keep it going. Not bad so far. We are doing great. We are doing great. Excuse me. Ooh, I have made lots over here. Savage love, it's my breakdown. Savage love. Okay, so I'm seeing Emmanuel over here is saying, can you demonstrate how you combine direction, key level, pullback, rejection, continuation into one micro entry and tell us exactly what confirms each stage? Okay, so basically, that is what I have been talking about most of the times, right? So when we talk about the different what gives me those different confirmations, I've actually been talking about them all the time. Of course, that drives you back. Of all these that you have mentioned, they take you back to my strategy. Okay, what do you have to look at for the direction? You definitely have to look at, you have to understand what market direction is all about. Okay, when you understand what market direction is all about, then over there, what the my strategy, which is price action, actually gives you all these in one, because you talk about the direction, market structure. Okay, with the market structure, of course, that is why you're going to be able to meet the key levels. With the key levels, we are going to have the ups and the downs. We are going to have, sorry about that, 1 second. So with that, you are definitely going to be able to have, okay, we are going to have the key points that we are going to be standing at. For an uptrend, of course, that we are going to have the higher low, right? Now that is going to be our key points that we are going to stand at. We have a market um the brain is freezing. Okay, so over there we are going to have break of structure. Okay, once we have break of structure, of course, that is when the pullback comes in. When we have that pullback, we are going to have two things. We expect two things at the end of the pullback. Either we are going to have candlestick formations that are giving us a go ahead of a continuation, all right, or we are going to have a, um, a reversal. We are going to have candlestick patterns that are going to show us that over here we are breaking below the key level. All right, Emmanuel. So here I'm going to use the word the key level because that is our major point right now. I'm focusing on what you have asked, all right? So when we are having that key point, which is going to be our higher low, because that one is most of the times you're going to find that it's not going to change. What we are going to keep having, we are going to keep having the highs, and like that until we break below the previous until we break below the that key level, which is our higher low. When once we break below it, definitely now that we are going to have a reversal. Okay, so for us to know where we are supposed to enter from, what we are supposed to be considering to get a confirmation, candlestick patterns play a big role, but they are not the only ones that we are going to be looking at. We have to understand the direction. What is the direction telling us? Then we also have to be able to see market structure, what is happening. All right. So those are the things that you're going to look at. Those are the three things that you're going to consider so much for you to be able to have a confirmation, for you to know that over here, let me buy because I am having a pullback, and that pullback I have received 2 to 3 candles, so I'm having a confirmation that I'm in a pullback. Then if I'm having a continuation, 2 to 3 candles formed, over there you are definitely going to have a confirmation that you are still continuing with that particular trend that you are in. Then also if we are going to go for a reversal, you're going to have candlestick patterns over there formed that are going to clearly show you that over here we are breaking below the previous low, so we are having a reversal, and then you trade accordingly. When we are in a certain direction, give an example, an uptrend, and we are having strong bullish candle formations, no need to ask for confirmations over there. All right, you know clearly very well that over there you are going to keep buying. You are going to, if it is a strong bearish candlestick formation, you are definitely going to be selling until the market gives you reasons not to, right? So in simpler terms, you as a trader, there are certain things that you are supposed to be focusing on that are going to be your confirmations. When we have break of structure, all right, when we have break of structure, even over there you can enter into the market, because it does not mean that immediately after break of structure we are going to start experiencing pullback. Sometimes you find that we actually keep moving up, so over there you can as well you can as well carry out some, you can have some entries when a pullback starts. But remember, a pullback is not just formed by just one candle. All right, I've been explaining previously that one candle formed does not justify anything. One, it does not justify that we are moving in this particular trend, or we are having a reversal, or we are having a continuation, or we are having a pullback. All right. So please, when you are when you are looking at candlestick patterns, because they refine our entries, just make sure that you have 2 to 3 candle formations, all right, before you conclude on what exactly is happening in the market, not just by one candle formed. All right, let me hope we are good and clear over there. All right, oh, let's go. Over. Okay, so let me hope I've given an explanation. Let me hope you have picked something, Emmanuel, from that. Let's go, guys. Okay, I'm seeing something over here. Okay. Okay, so we are looking at Joshua. Hey, Joshua, thank you so much. Habib, I have been using your strategy for a few days now and I have been seeing changes, but I'm still working on it. I haven't mastered it yet. It's alright, my darling. One step at a time. Once you learn something, just hold on to it until you add on something else, you add on something else, you are going to start, you are going to become a profitable trader, a comfortable trader. Like by comfortable, I mean when you open your charts, you do not get that anxious or you get that you feel like you do not belong. Once you have the knowledge, you have the trading skill, you definitely feel you have it in control, all right? So, my brother, keep it going, keep it going. Adele, thank you, my darling. We keep it going. Okay. Okay, is the best trading view. All right, backdoor. I hear you. That is Nikki Rich. Okay, we are here to trade. We are here to trade. Let's first learn trading and then we can see about anything else. Erastus is in the building. Hi, Erastus. What's up? What's up outside? I have a few questions. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Go ahead, Erastus. Hey, Lena, how are you? This level. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, D guy. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Oh my goodness, Erastus. No, 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 no. No, my dear. Why I did not get back to you immediately, it was because I was still explaining to Emmanuel. He had asked a very broad question, so I had to see how to put it together and give him an explanation that can help him move forward. All right. But how can I forget all about my old scholars? No, that is impossible. That is impossible. Good to have you, Erastus. Okay, good to have you. So let us get rolling. Capral, good to have you, good to have you. What's up? How is it going? How is my Capral doing over there? Beautiful, guys. We keep it going. Mohammed, hi. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Ahmed in the building. Hi. Hi, Ahmed. How are you doing? Erastus. If the green passes both blue lines, meaning buy or we are talking about the alligator indicator. Okay, let me take you through the alligator indicator. Susanna, really? Look at the Erastus. So happy, so excited. Okay, so let me take you through with the alligator indicator, all right? Actually, let us follow the chart over here as I try to explain to you. Okay, so we are having three lines. That is the green line, the red line, and the blue line, all right? That is a loss. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That is a loss. Okay, so the alligator indicator, like I said earlier, it helps me with a strategy that I'm using, which is price action. All right, so I do not focus only on it to place in or to confirm my entries. But how can I say? Uh, what it helps me identify what exactly is happening on my chart or in the market. All right. So over here, as you can see, it looks like uh, I need us to have a clear one such that at least you get a clear picture of what we are talking about. Okay, so you see over there we are breaking below, all right? We are breaking below. Okay, so the blue line is at the top, the green line, the red line in the middle, then the green line down. So that clearly means that we are in a bearish direction. When the green line is at the top, okay, and these two down, it means that we are in a bullish direction. That is one thing that you should have in your mind. But now, considering the strategy that I am using, you have to look at the candles. What are they doing? What is happening before you place in your trade? Okay, so let us first see what it's going to do over here. Okay, so as it's trying to cross over, it's giving you a signal that, hey, we are going to switch to an uptrend, but do not immediately rush and place in a trade. You see what it is doing right about now? It gave us a clear picture that we are going to move to the upside, but now it has broken below, meaning if we are looking at the strategy and we are having market structure, there we shall know that over here we were having a pullback. That's why the indicator acted like that. We remember we're moving to the downside, right? So moving to the downside, which is the bearish direction, we have what we call a pullback. So when we are going to have a pullback, this indicator will show you that these three lines or the green line wants to cross over the red and the blue line, which is not enough to actually buy, because by the time it crosses we could be having a continuation to the downside. I don't know if you're trying to get me, all right? So that's why I'm saying that before you conclude and have a confirmation, look at what the strategy is telling you. Look at the candlestick patterns. What are they saying? Am I having a reversal? If you are having a reversal, please go ahead. Okay, go ahead, because even these three lines will show you that over here we are definitely going to move to the upside, because when you look at the candlestick patterns, they will be giving you that green go ahead. Okay, the candles that will be forming will be bullish candles. So it works hand in hand. It works hand in hand. I cannot say that it's only the alligator indicator that is going to give you the confirmations. No, it gives us the signals, but then we have to look at what the strategy is saying. For my case, it's market structure, all right? I'm looking at market structure. How are the structures? How are they? All right. And also at the same time, am I in an uptrend or am I in a downtrend? So how am I supposed to juggle around with this alligator indicator? Okay, so Erastus, I did not know if you have gotten me, but I've tried to explain to you, not wanting you to rely on only the alligator indicator, all right? Because at times it will make you make mistakes that will actually cost you money. Okay, let me hope you have picked something from that. Okay. gonna be a bumpy ride. You as a trader, it's wise to have a strategy, not just to depend on the indicators. Okay, the indicator, when you have your strategy, you will definitely be looking at what the indicator is also doing. When you get your confirmations from the other side and you look at the strategy and the indicator and it is also doing the same thing, in you, you will be satisfied that over here, I just need to strike because everything is aligning, right? That is what I can tell you, Evastus. Nobody, nobody, you will not find someone like me. You nothing, take it slow. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, doctor system. Alright. Doctor system, good to have you. What's up? No, my darling Erastus, that can never happen. You are all loved. You are all considered my being my fellow traders, and in this journey we are moving together. No one is being left behind. All right, so let us keep it going. Classic Duke is building. Hi, Classic Duke. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, that is Mohammed. I wish to become like you one day, Lena. You will, you will. For as long as you are consistent in what you're doing, in your learning, you will definitely become even more than me. I trust me, trust me. Okay. I know, Erastus. Okay, so Musa, just like Erastus has said, feel free to ask. And we are definitely all going to become successful traders. That is what I wish for each and every one of us, all right? We are going to become successful traders. We are going to learn day in, day out, okay? D guy, I'm always better and better every day. Yes, that's what I love hearing. We keep going, we keep going together, and we shall definitely make it to the top. Okay, okay, my Henry is in the building. Hi, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? My Henry, Lena, dear, your new scholar is here. All right, good to have you, good to have you. My Henry, it's so always exciting to have you in the building. All right, Erastus, Susanna. All right. Somehow, I really love that song by the Susanna. I remember it was a COVID song. I don't know if I remember correctly, but I remember that time when we could not go anywhere out music from that I really mastered. Hi Ada, hi my darling, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I've missed you guys so much for 2 good days. I've just been refreshing. I've been doing something great about myself, all right? But it's always so good to have you around. Velumani is in the building. Hi, Vanakam, Vanakam. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Yes, my dear. I missed you too. I missed everyone. Sanjay is not yet in the building. I've not yet seen him around, but I'm very sure he is going to check in. You make me feel okay. Balo. Balo. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. Charlie is in the building. Hi, Charlie. Aditi, hi, good to have you. How are you doing? Prosperous Jerry, it has been a while. How is it going? Hope it's good. Hope it's amazing. Happy Sunday to you too. Happy Sunday. My Henry is asking me about Sanjay. I'm still waiting on him. But definitely positive as I am, I believe he is okay. Excuse me. My day is going on amazing. How about yours over there, Coxie? Good to have you. How am I beautiful? Okay, to each and every one of us, good to have you. Rufus is in the building. Hi, Rufus. Really? Okay. My Henry, my audio, no more talking. Oh, like you can't hear what I'm saying? Because I'm saying my audio is on. It looks like I'm all set. So I don't understand it why you are not being able to hear me. Oh, my Henry, I missed your answer to my question. You sent in a question? Okay, when you were asking about Sanjay, I said positive as I am, I'm very sure he is okay. And I believe, he is going to come through. Okay, so guys, questions, anyone who has anything about trading? Billy, hi Billy, good to have you. Zubi Kings, what's up? M Hassan, good to have you. Okay. Emmanuel is asking me about the MACD. Actually, on my trading over here, I use so much. Uh, I use so much the alligator indicator, but what the alligator indicator does most of the times, it's what actually the MACD also does. For the MACD settings, MACD is at default. The alligator is also at default. Okay, so we are definitely just the way you are, girl. How long did it take you to become a profitable trader? It took me close to 2 years. Close to 2 years. Okay, so for the time frame, I'm using 15 seconds for the chart time frame, and for the expiration is also beautiful, beautiful. And also for the expiration is also 15. Okay, let us get into our second attempt. Let's see. Okay, we in a continuation. That was close. That was actually close. Very, very close. So over here we are in an uptrend, guys, as you can see. So what we are going to expect over here, we are going to definitely be looking at the highs and the lows, all right? And by the highs, we are going to be looking at the previous high being broken above and creating another high. Then we also look at the low, which low in this case we are going to consider as our pullback, all right? So that is what we are going to be looking at for our uptrend over here. We have already identified the direction that we are in a bullish direction, right? Then market structure, we have identified that we are definitely going to be having the highs and the lows, okay? Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight. No lie, hypnotized for another one. It's alright, I know what you want. The vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight. No lie, no lie, no lie. It's gonna be lit tonight. No Move that body, let me see you just do it, girl, go and represent. that body, let me see you just do it to the fullest extent. Move that body, let me see you just do it till you're magnificent. Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. It's the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight. No lie, hypnotize, you're another one. It's alright, I know what you want. It's the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight. No lie, seems how we do it. No lie, so we do it. No lie, seems how we do it. It's gonna be lit tonight. No lie, seems how we do it. No lie, so we do it. No lie, seems how we do it. It's gonna be lit tonight. No lie.
And if you hear this on the go on the back, go on the knees, baby shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Bad man, chill out. 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 Your pussy fat in your shot. You dealing with the boss. Like you come first, could I never take a lot. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy to me fucking. Yeah, you make it cocky brand. Original girl, some of them are in a car. And if you hear this on the go on the back, go on the knees, baby shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say they know watch a match. Yeah, anything you say them girl, let do it like it's hot. But make one when I'm on it like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, I get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm a bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my thumbs and him still falling in love. Yes, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel big at taste anyway, yes, in my past. And if you hear this on the go on the back, go on the knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. I'm not a fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me 2 militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. So they love how me wine and me true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Or you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every two that ever toss. Study on me, but you can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love, and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all this sauce. And if you hear this, I'm like, go on your back. Go on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Okay, sorry about the camera. Let's have it going.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me for cycle down. Me give a hit and run. Me give a hit and run. Me did only one little dealing. Love that did I look you must sit down. Me give a hit and run.
Okay, we are taking it for 4 attempts. Okay.
How I make you feel so? Bro, me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want so me never need her. This enough if people know keep it on a deal.
Okay. That is a plus. We have 3 more to go.
Somebody keep your calm.
Okay, Supreme, good to have you, good to have you. How is it going? And Raphael is in the building. Hi, Raphael. How are you doing today? Ruth. Hi, Ruth. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going? How is that side? Edson, I see you. Edson is in the building. Sooth. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Today we are having Brent oil OTC. I'm good, Raphael. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm just over here on my machines. Doing my very best in the market. How about you over that side? How are you doing? How is it going? Beautiful. That is our third attempt. Yum yum. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going? Okay. Rostov. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Just at our last attempt. What's this? That is for duck. So sorry about that. Rostov, Miss Lena, please read my message. Okay. I will check your message on Telegram. Right, that is for Nico. We are taking it for 3 items. Adrian, hi Adrian, what's up? What's up? With a self entry over here, guys. Consolidation is at play, and like I told you, with consolidation at the top, we definitely sell, and at the bottom, we buy. So over here, we are into consolidation, and as you can see over here, I've just in a buy position. All right. Just now a dar, just at our last attempt, I closed in a loss. But nothing to do. We keep going. We keep going. Okay, so when you are into consolidation, we definitely, okay, just 1 second of breath. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Congratulations. Look at that. That is for Nico. Congratulations. Sa-la-la-la. Okay, guys. Yes, my Ada. Yes, Ada. Yes. We should hit 50, So, guys, please tap that like button. And definitely for those that have not yet subscribed, please do so. Let's move from 50, we go to 80, we go to 100, we go to 200, above and above. Why not? Right? Ada, thank you so much. I'm really loving what you're doing. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Swala la la. Avict FX. What's up, what's up? Good to have you. Swala la la. Swala la la. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, positivity all the way. Look at that. Look at that. We keep it rolling. Okay. That's a good one. Look at that. Okay. Our eyes are wide open. Okay, Godwin, let us go for our very last one. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That's not what we signed up for. That's not what we signed up for, guys. Oh dear, so sorry about that. That was for Alexander. I know. It's heartbreaking, you know. Daniel Malik, what's up? Good to have you. Okay. Curious Anatomy. Hi, my brother, what's up? Good to have you. What is happening over here? You know, in the beginning, when we were analyzing the market, if you remember very well, when we were analyzing the market, it was amazing. On my end, it was 50-50. Then after we picked, and it went well, all right? But now I do not know what exactly is going on. Okay, give us a plus over there. Give us a plus. I need a plus. Let me see. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's see for our last attempt. We need a plus. Teacher Lee. Teacher Lee is in the building. Hi, what's up, my friend? My most amazing person in the building. How are you doing today, Teacher Lee? Thank you so much. Let's keep going. Definitely my anticipation with, oh my goodness. It was a continuation. That was my anticipation. I did not know where the sellers have come from. Look at that. No. What is going on is not nice at all. So far, not good.
We coming home tonight. Where should we run to? We got a ticket that takes us wherever we like. We got our problems, but just for the minute, let's push all our troubles aside. Alright, cause we got the keys to the universe inside. Alright, yeah, we got the keys, baby. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we come on. I wanna live fast, never look back. So we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day wondering when it all goes. We'll be home before we know. I wanna hear you singing. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mama, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes. You'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So, mama, don't stress your mind. So, mama, don't stress your mind. Stress your mind. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mama, we're gonna be alright. Try those eyes. You'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So, mama, don't stress your mind. So, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight.
Okay.
Why you always in the mood? Fucking around like I'm brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fucking around like I'm brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I can never get attached. When I start to feel I'm attached, somehow I was in a feeling bad. Baby, I am not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company. Girl, it's obvious, elephant in the room. We're part of it, don't act so confused. And you have started it, now I'm in the mood. Now we arguing in my bedroom. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be a victim. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. So I ain't tryna pay your love on the regular. Where you could be blowing up just to say you love. I will never let a shawty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you wet enough. I'm talking slick back, kick back, gangs of them bodies. You keep playing nothing every day with your shawty. Mismatch bitch, that was wet before you know me. Got a lot of love, but you better save it for me. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be a victim. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view.
Okay.
Call it love and devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation. For all the single moms out there going through frustration. She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. she's got to save him. She tells him, oh love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna go
Okay, what market are you trading? This is I'm trading binary options. Daniel over there. No, today's market I did not understand. I started off by praising it, but it looks like it's going south. What did Daniel Malik ask me?
now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love.
Okay. Vanakam, and there is Sanjay in the building. Hi Sanjay, what's up? Good to have you. Everyone has been asking about Sanjay. Where is Sanjay? Where has he gone? Is he fine? Sanjay is in the building. Hi Sanjay, what's up? How are you doing? How is your day today? Today is a Sunday. How is it going over there? Fill us in. Everyone was asking about you. All right. Today, of course, Godwin is in the building. My Henry was asking for you. Velumani, you are a celebrity in this audience. In our family over here, you are a celebrity and we are so proud of you. It makes us so sad when we do not see you come through. At some point, of course, I believed that it's work that is keeping you, and I knew that you were eventually going to come through. So good to have you. Okay, look at Justin. That is Justin all the way from Rwanda. Good to have you. What's up? You should teach me a word or two. How do we greet? How do we greet in Rwandese? All right. How do we greet in Rwandese? Such that whenever you come through, you see the people of Sri Lanka. I always say Vanakam, all right? So they taught me their greetings. So you should also teach me. It makes me, I know, even you on your end, it makes you feel so good. But mostly on my end, it makes me feel so good when I'm greeting. Excuse me. When I'm greeting my people in their language. Yes, Adar is in the building. Sharon, good to have you. Teacher Lee, I see you over there. What's the only thing I'm thinking of? So sorry about that, Rufus. Eventually, Today, as you can see, the market is just so crazy. I don't get it.
We be ballin' like the Lakers. It's okay, we know that they will never break us. Break us, never break us. Call me your angel, but you know I keep it real. You and me, we blowing up torpedoes. Yeah, you right up, boy, you know me never leave you. Leave you, never real. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. It can't get no better. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Once we stick together, what's the only thing I'm thinking of? Na na na, in the morning when I'm waking up. Na na na, tell me that I'm breathing. Oh, you know you'll always be my baby love. See, I like trust. See, all the us. You know you'll always be my baby love. I'm thinking of, can't get enough. Know you'll always be my baby love. How you do that? I do that. Love that. Yeah, you know you're bad from your man. Love the way you bring it back and go on. Are you me baby love until the day that me gone? Are you me number one? Are you me true champion? Hey, you girl in the tight and skirt, sexy in a dress, so in a button up shirt. You know when you close, girl, when you start to whine, you the only one who always dip on me mind.
Rufus. So sorry about that. But one thing I can tell you is that I really don't know how to comfort you. But one thing I can tell you, okay, Rostov, I'm trying to check for your name on Telegram. What name are you using on Telegram? Is it Rostov, or you are using, what name did you share with me? Check and see. Or you're using WebJack Tech. Which name are you using? Please share with me. Share with me. Okay, so Rufus, I was still telling you, I'm really so sorry about the losses that you've made, all right? But I always talk so much about risk management, and I always keep requesting you and begging you that depending on how you're standing, I know we all want to make the profits, but if they do not come, how is our account standing? That's why at times I keep telling you that let us do our very best, all right, to learn how to do that trading such that the little amount we have, we can multiply it, all right? We can multiply it. So I don't know how to console you best, but I'm really so sorry for the losses. But probably maybe you should first put a pause to it, because like you have been seeing the last time we traded, even today, the market is just crazy. Okay, so Rostov, the name that you're using on Telegram, is it Nelson? Because that is the name that I want. Are you using Nelson on Telegram? You said you sent me information, or you sent me a message on Telegram. Which name do you use on Telegram, such that it's easy for me to trace out, all right? So please share with me that. And then I find, yes, I'm Nelson, and okay. Okay, that is a plus for Russ, and that goes to Clark. Congratulations. Okay. Nelson, actually, you are already on the list over there. You're already on the list over there. So sorry for the frustration and all that. It's because the past 2 days I've not been around. But if you look at your chat over there, I'd actually not paid attention to it. When you said Nelson, I saw it. It's over here. So do not worry. Do not worry yourself. Keep it a little secret. Hi, Jean. Long time, long time, long time. What's up? How is it going over that side? Definitely, it has been a long time. Hope you're doing okay, my Jean. That is Yaya over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is a porn vlog. Okay. Good to have you. Which platform? This is Pocket Option. Pocket Option is a platform that I'm using to trade. Freddy, what time frame? The chat is 15 seconds. Expiration 15 seconds as well. Then for the candle, that is 5 seconds. Supreme, can you teach me your strategy? For my strategy, first of all, yes, I can teach you, but we need to keep going through it over and over and over again. So keep coming through, we keep learning together. But for starters, I'm using a price action as my strategy. That is number one. So well knowing that price action is broad, I decided to come up with 3 factors that will make my trading or that are making my trading way easier. Ooh. That is for Luna. Oh goodness, oh goodness. Okay, so I came up with 3 factors that make my trading easy. That is very well knowing how to identify market direction. Okay, with the market direction, I have also market structure. Okay, with the market structure, with market direction, I'm able to identify what direction is the market taking. Am I in an uptrend, a downtrend? Oh my goodness, look at these buyers that are just so against me. To keep you up all night. So I need to understand or I need to identify the direction that I'm moving in. If I'm in an uptrend, if I'm in a downtrend, or still consolidation. When we talk about an uptrend, that clearly gives us the fact that the buyers are more in the market and just a few sellers, or we can say buyers are in control of the market. But it does not rule out the fact that some sellers will also keep appearing. Then, when we are having a downtrend, That is when the sellers are in control of the market, but still, it does not rule out the fact that some. Oh my goodness. Hmm. 2 days in a row. Not good. Okay, so the first factor, market direction, market structure. Okay, that is the second one. Then the candlestick patterns. When we look at the market structure, we are going to look at the highs and the lows in the market. For an uptrend, we look at the higher highs and the higher lows. For a downtrend, we look at the lower highs and the lower lows. All right. When we talk about the higher highs, that is when the higher highs, that is when we break above the previous high. All right. You're going to make me feel bad. You're going to make me feel bad. Truth be told, I know I've been trading for some good time, and I know how to control my emotions and everything. But when the losses keep coming through, it makes me feel not good at all. Okay, so Rostov, my sincere apologies. I know it has been your first time, but one thing you should know is that through our daily learnings, okay, make it a habit or make it part of you to keep learning a few things here and there. Keep practicing, be consistent in your learning how to trade. Just in case if Lena has not been able to get the profits just like today, just saying, if you are to sit down and do a few tradings of your own, you're going to make a few profits out of it. Okay, like it makes me feel so bad, so bad. But one thing we have to keep considering is the fact that risk management has to be part of us. We have to know about risk management because this happens with the markets most of the time. So, right? So please do not feel bad about it. I know on my end I'm feeling bad, but let us keep positive. Let's keep going. And next time it will be better. Okay. All right. Okay, so that is a plus for Russ. That is true. That is true, Supreme. Everything in the market, like anything in the market, is very, very possible. It is. It is. You're very right. You're very right. But most of the times when you see you have put in an entry that you had well calculated, and then the market just flips just like that, it it makes you feel a little okay. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Okay, that is a stand over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Sue John, what's up? What's up? Jesus Lena. Oh, it has been a while. How have you been? Hope you've been okay. Hope you have been amazing. Okay. Sharon, can I get a profit? We are asking in what context? Okay. Thank you, Spring, for reminding me. Okay, so the third one is the candlestick patterns. Very, very important to understand what the candles are telling you, what the candlesticks are telling you, because every candlestick or every candlestick pattern is giving you a different story. All right, so with the very many candlestick patterns, you have to be able to understand what the different ones or what will be good for you in your trading. Okay, on my end, I look so much at the engulfing candles, the marabuzo candles. I look so much at the bullish, the strong bullish candles, the strong bearish candles. I look at the hammer. I look at the doji. Like, you have to have those that you're going to be focusing on, such that when you are looking at market structure and these particular candles keep forming, you know that over here I'm definitely going to have a continuation, or I'm going to have a reversal, or I'm actually just having a pullback. So you need to learn and understand the candlestick patterns, okay, because they refine your entries. Everything that you are looking at over here on the chart, it's basically the candles, all right, the candlesticks. So you need to understand, am I having a hammer? Am I having an engulfing candle? Okay. Are we having that marabuzo candle? What exactly is going on? Is it a shooting star? What exactly is going on? So you need to understand your candlestick patterns. You need to know which ones you're going to be considering before you place in the trade, because there are thousands of them, of the patterns, all right? But choose out a few, because like I keep telling people, the market is rich and there are very many opportunities. If you are looking at your chart and you're not understanding exactly what is going on, give yourself time. Wait for when the chart is making sense to you, when the candle movements, formations are making sense to you, then that is when you get ready to strike into the market. But when you are seeing things that do not make sense to you, do not be in a rush to placing entries just because you want to test what exactly is going on in the market. Otherwise, you're going to make very, very many losses. All right. So, yes, those are the three. Then, of course, they are backed up by the alligator indicator. With the alligator indicator, it helps me so much on identifying what direction am I taking, how strong is that direction, or we look at momentum. Okay, so that simply means that if I'm using the alligator indicator with those three lines, I need to be able to read them and know what is happening in regards to my strategy, which is price action. So if they are happening, how is my strategy going on? Am I having a key level already? Have I identified the key point? Okay, that I'm going to stand at to have a break of structure, to start talking about, to start having terms of, over here I'm having a pullback, here I'm going to have a continuation, or here actually I'm breaking below the key point for me to have a reversal. So you need to understand all these things, such that trading keeps becoming easier and lighter on your end. It's not a one day thing. It's not a 1 month thing that you're going to do it today, understand it today, and that will be it. No, it is a process. You take it one step at a time. Each time that you come and look at your charts, something new is added onto you. You discover something new. You find yourself that you're even going to learn things that no one has taught you. But because you are consistent and you love your charts, there is a way you understand certain things that no one has even taught you. But when you go on your charts, you are able to identify them and turn out to be profitable. One thing you should know is that you and me, we are trading for ourselves. Like you're trading for you, and I'm trading for me. So, how you learn, how you understand, how you control yourself in the market is very, very important. Do not be influenced by someone else because for them they are making profits, and then you are forcing yourself, you are forcing the profits to come out, okay? Because you're going to end up making losses over and over again. Do something at your own pace, trade at your own pace. Love yourself so much. All right? Love yourself so much to a point that you do not, you believe in you. All right? Believe in yourself so much and know that you're the best trader there is. Collect the knowledge, learn, understand what you have to understand. Okay? But remember that you are trading for you and not anyone else, okay? So that is a congratulations to Maeve over there. Congratulations. All right. Okay. Next, okay, that is next. Okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Supreme over there. That is amazing. That's interesting. Just keep coming through 3 p.m. Canadian time. That is when we go live each and every single day. Okay. Okay. What is it that you done to me, oh? You pour me a love, but you know, my baby, I can't stop thinking about you. Then Antonio, I come live every day. If for a day you have not seen me, then probably maybe something just came up, some personal, maybe in that particular time I have to handle something personal. But otherwise, I'm supposed to be here every day from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. All right. So all that time is for us to chat, to interact, to learn, to know a lot more about trading. Okay. Baby, there's no one but you. All that I need, baby, it's you. Oh yeah. I cannot imagine life without you. I know someone thinking about you. Okay, so that is my first plus over there. Let's see for the second one.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay. Is there a daily profit target? I'm actually afraid what happens on my end, depending. It depends on what you want. But on my end, I have a weekly target. All right. I try to do a daily target, but it would put me under too much pressure. Under too much pressure. So what I do weekly. I go weekly such that I do not make trading seem like a punishment or something, because in a day there are those days like how you've been seeing the market reacting. So as you have been seeing, the market has been reacting, all right? There are days when the market is really, really bad, okay? So if you say that you're going to have a daily target, things will, at times, things will not come out the way you expected or you anticipated them, and then it will definitely frustrate you. So I do a weekly target, okay? That's on my end. That's on my end. Okay. Okay, can you take like 3 trades, then explain the reason that made you to take the trade? Okay. Okay. Okay, so here we are in an uptrend and I've just closed off a pullback. So I have taken a continuation trade. Okay, so over there I've placed in a buy entry because I had just closed off a pullback. All right. Yes, so that's why I took it. Of course, I was having a high, then the market created a low. So after a low, and I anticipated the creation of another high. So that's why I bought. Okay. Liar, liar. Congratulations to Cortez. Fala says, looks like a demo. Oh my goodness, look at your screen properly. You see QT real. If it was a demo, it would have showed you over there that it is a demo. Okay. Tell me what you see. No, these days I actually do not have time for such people. I really don't. Okay, so anyways, guys, that was it for the participants in the market. And remember, I am uh, a pocket option. I'm using pocket option as my platform that I'm trading on. So when you see Brent oil OTC, that should take you to the fact that we are binary options traders. Okay. We are binary options traders, so definitely for someone who does not understand exactly what is happening, at least when I tell you that I am using pocket option as a platform, in you should connect so fast and know that we are not talking about crypto, we are not talking about forex. So okay. Okay, so guys, as I was telling you, that is the close of, oh my goodness, look at that. Ever since I went back into the personal tradings, I've not made any profits. Two losses in a row. Two losses in a row. Let me see what this gives me.
You don't have to worry about nothing. We got the fire, and we burning one hell of a something.
Okay, let me try to build on this.
Outer space, light it up. Like we're the stars of the
Motivation, hi, motivation, Gitty, have you, Gitty, have you? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing.
giving love.
Okay, guys, we are building slowly by slowly. Let's see. Sanjay, make it 5,000. My time is even out. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, let's see. We are still moving up, building some amazing momentum over there.
We just wanna be right now.
Right now.
What we see is everybody's on the floor acting crazy, getting lost.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. To the world. Guys, we are still buying because we are in a bullish direction, and we have all reasons to keep buying. Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Sanjay, on your words, let's go, let's go, let's go. You know what we are. So far, I'm just at 1K. Hey. Yeah, up, so they can play it out, out.
We can light it up.
So they can put it out, out. We can light it up.
They can put it out.
And let me not risk everything. Okay. I am a wise trader. So let's see. Okay, we go. On which time are you? I'm on 15 seconds, and also expiration 15. 15 seconds, 15 seconds. Sanjay, I'm not going to reach the 5K. My time is out, my darling Sanjay. To the world. Okay, so guys, it has been an amazing day. It is always an amazing day with you, my beautiful people. So we are going to stop here, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are starting a new week. Let me hope we have the plans drawn, we have thought through how we would want to run our new week. I will leave that to you, and then I will catch you up tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take care too.